Surprise! Wow! 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 Oh, 'di ba? May itlog, guys, ang aking plant. Ayan. And then, ang aking kalamansi, guys. O yan, may itlog. O yan, may itlog sa aking kalamansi. Hinog na guys ang aking kalamansi. O, 'di ba? Ayan, at may nakaiwan ng itlog. Ayan ang swerte ko, may itlog ang aking plant. Oh, yan. Tara na at mag-scramble egg na tayo. Ayan, may puti pa. Oh. Ayan, it's time to pick it up. The eggs in my garden. Thank you for watching.